Hello everyone, welcome to Key to Blogging, and in this video I will show you how you can add a button to your WordPress website using CSS code. So here I am using the GeneratePress theme, and here I will add a button in this area. So to do this, go to the WordPress dashboard and here click on Appearance and here click on Menu. Now in the screen option, click on the CSS class and click on the link target option and close this. Now paste this URL of that button and here type the link text in the button. So I am using subscribe and click on add to menu. Now here in the custom link, here click on open link in a new tab, or you can untick it. Now here you have to add a class to the button. So here I am using this menu button class here. So type menu button and click on save changes. Now go to this article and copy this CSS code, and here in the appearance section click on customize. Here as you can see, the subscribe button is not showing, so you need to click on the additional CSS section and paste the CSS code here. And now the button is added to the menu, and when you click on the mobile view it will not show here, so it only work for the desktop device. So you can further change the color by changing this background code. So you can easily copy color codes by typing HTML color codes. Here you can find lots of color codes. So just choose the color that you want to add to the button and change this, and now the button color is changed. So you can also change the border radius and change the padding and margin by changing this CSS code. Suppose you want to add a hover effect to this button. So to add hover effect, scroll down and copy this code now add this code below. Now as you can see, the hover color is activated. So you can also change the hover color by changing this value. Just go to the HTML color code website and you can change the hover color. So and you can change it here. So let me change it. Now test the hover color change. Now click on the publish button. Now go to the website and click on refresh, and as you can see, the subscribe button is added to your theme. Here I am using the GeneratePress theme, and if you want to add this button to any other theme, then you need to copy the class of that navigation menu. Just right click on it and click on inspect, and here you will see the navigation class, and then you can change the navigation class here and it will work in other themes also. I hope this tutorial is helpful to you, and if you have any doubt regarding this button in the navigation menu, then you can ask me in the comment section. And if you are new to this channel, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos like this. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.